So your stomach assimilates experiences, right? So when you have unprocessed difficulties, fear, anxiety, and guilt that amplifies because you either have tried to push it away, or you've tried maybe even some tools to, again, to disassociate from it, as opposed to meet it and work with it, which is when true healing happens. You start to have major digestive issues, and you hold, again, this, the fear takes over your life. And we're going to look at the solar plexus chakra soon, because it's very connected to your sense of self and why it's so vital that we process our experiences and don't just push them away. Processing those experiences and getting wisdom from it is part of your destiny. All your mistakes and challenges are the way for you forward, the way for you to learn. If you just had it all good like a holiday, I would say very few people come here for a holiday. We come here to experience and to grow, right? We want to leave this planet having more goodness, more wisdom, more connection, more understanding, as opposed to the opposite than when we first came. Next.